have it for today. Hello world. It's raining. It's yep, it's just that. Oh, I finished getting ready. This is what I'm wearing today. This shirt and jeans. Nothing of interest. Something simple for the weather today. Oh, and these earrings right here. It's Wednesday. We have errands to run today. Quick and simple. And it's hump day. The tattoo is healing up nice and good. It has started to peel, however, so it's quite on the itchy side right now. One of the things I like to do is either use a cold compress, wet paper towel, and then pat it dry with a dry paper towel, or Tatwax. One of the three, sometimes all of the three, not all in one go, but you know. This is clearly my mood right now. It says, I'm here, I'm awake, don't push it. You guys, we finished Mr. Robot last night. We finally finished it. How long did that take us to watch that series?
Oh, I don't know, like 2 months?
At least. But we finally finished it, and we are now watching the Alien series on Hulu. We've watched 5 of the movies? Something like that. Yeah, we're on a alien binge, if you will. But we finished all of our series, like Lost, Ozark, Mr. Robot. He wants to start watching. Richard wants me to watch Breaking Bad for some reason.
Because it's damn good.
I don't know. I don't know what the hype is about Breaking Bad. I guess we'll have to wait and see. But, I guess we'll have to wait and see. We're trying to figure out what to do with chicken for dinner. We finally defrosted. It's finally defrosted.
Get a jar of salsa, I can make salsa chicken.
Well, salsa chicken, chicken and rice. You still have rice with the rice cooker?
I still have regular white rice here. You guys tell me what the purpose is.
We'll figure out something. Checking the oil so we can get on the road. As I said, we need the rain.
Yes, indeed. It's been weeks and weeks since our last rain.
Yeah, I can't remember the last one because it's also been so hot this past summer.
It ain't easy being cheesy. Oh no, trademark, blah, blah, blah.
I want to say maybe I can't even count. I can't recall the last rain.
We're in a school bus sandwich. Come on. Yeah, look, school bus, school bus.
We need knobs for our closets and the storage closet that's also Molly's, where Molly's potty box is. So we're picking those up just to add a little bit more pizzazz to the apartment. It is rainy, rainy, rainy. But like you said earlier, we need the rain. It's definitely, like, I feel like we've been in a drought for a bit. We decided tonight we were having a salsa chicken. I will share the recipe as best as I can. It's super, super easy. Chicken breast, cheese, salsa of choice, cheese of choice, and then you just put it in a pan in the oven and let it cook for like 40 to 45 minutes. It's really good. And then we're going to have steamed broccoli on the side. And we got Nestle, like the Nestle cookies that you just bake for like 10 to 12 minutes for dessert. My tattoo looks insane. I don't know if you can tell, but it's peeling up the wazoo. I don't think you guys can see it. There's a bunch of stuff back there. Don't worry about that. But this is part of the process. It'll peel. But I applied Tau-X to it regularly, so it'll heal up just fine. I have to go back in it's early October, so probably not next week, but the week after that I have to go back to Gmo for a follow-up. What are you doing? What you doing? Oh yeah, we also did some rearranging, just little bits. My laundry is now over here, and now it's a clear space over there, except for the hot, sexy person over here.
Yeah. And these doors don't close all the way.
Yes.
That one just did
that.
so that's fine.
But I was just telling him these are definitely a lot smaller than the previous ones. They're not as bulky. So, good choice, sir. I love it! These totally match our dresser. These are the knobs that we got. And these are the more knobs to switch out the closets. And then the rest of them just look like this, just to switch it up from the crappy hardware that was previously in here. We're deciding eventually to switch out these drawers so that a humidifier can sit here so that the air is not so dry during the fall and winter.
Not just a couple of inches bigger in both directions.
To put...
It's like 2 or 3 inches in both directions bigger, and we'll be able to put your humidifier here.
Richard the Builder. Whole nightstand. I guess.
Yeah, just change it.
I guess we're changing. Well, okay. Correct. I stand corrected. Nightstand as a whole.
It's pouring rain out there. You don't even know what rain is. Rain is what we stand in when we're in the shower.
I have to take out my birth certificate for something we're doing tomorrow. It's nothing bad. We're not in trouble.
We're going to jail.
You guys, this cat is insane. She literally... What are you doing? What are you doing? She literally just crawled in here as I was hanging this up to dry. As I just did the dishes. Look at you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here, Molly. Watch this, you guys. Treat? There she goes. Success getting Molly out of there. Just have to say the magic word and she will apply. Or comply, I should say. Dishes are finished. Everything's clean. I just did it so that Richard didn't have so much to do when he gets off. Oh, dishes are done. Everything is clean. It's just been one of those days. It really has just been one of those days. But even though it's been one of those days, I love creating content for you guys. My recent short has over 2,000 views. Thank you very much to those who have also newly subscribed. I really appreciate it. Please continue to do so. On that note, it is 6:20. I'm going to get out of these clothes and put on some comfortable clothes. Put some tat wax on my tattoo because it's very itchy and flaky. And I'm going to go ahead and call it a night. Enjoy my evening with Richard. And we will see you all next time. Bye, guys.